I'm standing aboard the all-new Azimut 60 Magellano. It's packed with features from bow to stern. Step on board and let me show you why this boat is a true standout in its class. Starting off here on the aft deck of the Azimut 60 Magellano, one of my favorite features is the way they've configured these longitudinal sofas. You can move about the cockpit freely, and although the boat's only 8 inches wider than a comparable Flybridge model, the use of space is just incredible. It's squared off a little bit, so when you're sitting here in the cockpit or in the galley looking aft, this piece of glass gives a seamless view of the water. It's an incredible feeling of openness, and the cockpit lives like a much larger boat, 70, 80 foot. It doesn't compare the way they've done this on the 60. On this 60 Magellano, the doors pocket open, bringing the outside in. So if you're entertaining on the aft deck, the galley is completely accessible. You have everything you need for a day on the water here. Your refrigeration and freezers situated here on the starboard side of the boat, and you have your cooktop and your Miele convection oven over here on the port side. As you stand here, you can begin to take in and appreciate all of the different finishes that they employ. I'm standing on a beautiful herringbone pattern floor here in the galley. There's carpet forward in the salon. We have gold lacquered cabinets. It's a very well-balanced interior, and the use of all the different materials doesn't seem forced. It's a very calm feeling with all the rounded off edges. It's just a beautiful execution of design. Forward from the galley into the salon, you'll immediately notice this floor-to-ceiling window on the starboard side of the boat. It's a really special place to start your morning with a cup of coffee or the newspaper. You can even enjoy a TV on a high-low mechanism behind this aft sofa that rotates 180 degrees to be enjoyed from the aft cockpit as well. When we bring an Azimut into the American market, there's a critical list that everybody should see. On that list is the Seakeeper Stabilization Package. This particular boat has the Starlink system hardwired to every television, so there's no connectivity issues, the upgraded tropical air conditioning system, and the generator to complement it. You won't find an Azimut in the American market that's missing any of these critical options. The bow on the 60 Magellano is a really special place. It's so often you look at a 50, 60, even 70 foot boat and the bow is lacking with a thin cushion that's not very versatile. It's not a comfortable space for your guests to enjoy. But here on the 60, it's a recessed bow, meaning you can stand here against the side of the boat and you have this gunnel that comes up high. You have this U-shaped sofa with a table in front and a conversational pit with opposing seating, which is critical to enjoyment of this space. As an owner of the boat, if you need some time to tidy up the galley or encourage your guests to get out of your way for a minute, this is a great place to send them up and enjoy. People could spend hours up here. We're up here on the Flybridge, and even just the front half, there's a variety of social zones for your guests to enjoy on the 60. On the port side, you have a sofa that faces this high-low TV in the starboard side cabinet, storage underneath. And then stepping forward to the helm, you can be sitting here with your captain or your family member underway with some opposing seating in this lounge. What I love about the way that they've implemented this Venturi on the boat, they put this lip on it. So that breaks down a lot of the wind and you can sit here and have a conversation without the interruption of wind. Everything's been perfectly executed up here. It takes a minute to take in, but I think you'll enjoy it. The design intention of the 60 Magellano is immediately apparent when you walk around the boat. You see things like the high gunnels, the larger closets in the master, the range, the efficiency, the livability of the boat. It's designed for those who intend to spend extended periods on the water. For more information on this Azimut or other Azimuts we have in stock, head over to MarineMax.com.